morning guys, and welcome to day 28 of our travel daily vlog. We are still in Dubai, and today we're gonna go to Gold Bazaar, some historical places, and later on to Burj Khalifa again. The gold and diamonds cost here way less than in Europe and even less than in Canada. So if you would like to buy, you can get something from here, but you definitely need to know the places because I'm not sure about the quality of gold. Maybe some of them can be like fakey one, but diamonds, if diamonds has a certificate, so it probably will be real. The gold part of bazaar is pretty small, so you won't spend a lot of time here. And after that, just regular bazaar, as in all Medinas start. So we're gonna go to other side of Dubai, to very old and historical part called Fahidi, and we're gonna use some small ferry. We don't have any cash, so I hope we can buy ticket by the cards. Thank you.
Thank you.
Last day coming for
4? Thank you. With number 3, the 4 over there. Yeah, it was pretty easy. The ticket office right in the front of these boats, and you can get the tickets with the card. Each ticket costs 2 dirham, so it's, I guess, even less than $1. Riding the boats, I guess, is your favorite attraction. So, what do you expected from this?
Only fresh breeze to my face.
Okay.
Nice trip. It's not very long, right? It's only on that side.
Yeah, it's just over there, so it will be just few minutes ride. But if you would like to, we can do as much ride as you want, because the price is like extremely low. When you go to Venice or when you go to some places in Europe just to ride a boat, doesn't matter how long it will take, it will cost like $10, $20, $30 and more. But here, I'm not sure, it's 0.70, I guess, and it's like public transport, but it's very, very small boat, so it's crazy. Take only like few minutes, right? And that's it. But it was pretty nice, yeah. And this is Al Fahdi district. It's look very old and authentic, and it's less crowded.
And I would say it's a bit cooler here.
Yeah, because they have these covers on the ceiling, right? Hello. Maybe later, thank you. And again, you can't believe that in 20 kilometers, the downtown of Dubai with Burj Khalifa start, when the buildings here like this. It's a noon time, but it's so calm and peaceful here. Almost no one. Compared to other side of the river, where it's so crowded, I like this part more. And you?
Yeah, me too, definitely. Also, we have this breeze from the water.
Yeah.
It's cooler. Big difference.
And these covers make a shadow and protect you from the sun. So it's a great idea to have them everywhere in such a hot and warm countries. Like, why not to do it everywhere, really? And here is coffee addicted person. She can't live without a coffee. It's pretty awesome place. From the doors you can see the old city and this design on the walls, like you see. And the coffee costs exactly the same price as in Starbucks.
But we're in a very aesthetic place.
It smells good. Enjoy. How it is. Really like this place. It's pretty unique. We saw a lot of Medinas, but here is streets are very wide, and now because it's not crowded, not so many shops, you can see the buildings itself way more clear without these ads and old products. So it's pretty good. Hello. Thank you.
King spice.
Look here. Wow. I think everything is made from bronze, so it's very, very heavy. What's this? I don't know what is this. And here is the bigger part. Just build it on bench that nobody can steal it. Guys, this is how Starbucks look like here. That's awesome. This is way more touristic area with way more souvenir shops all around, and I'm really tired to say no thank you, no thank you, because everyone almost asking you to come inside the store. No thank you, no thank you. To be honest, I didn't expect that it will be so cool place, because I never check on internet. I just saw on Google Maps that we live really close to old historical part, so we give it a try, and it's really amazing place. And our last stop in old part of the city will be Al Farouk Mosque. It's also very beautiful, so we're gonna visit it and then go to the modern part of Dubai. That's awesome. Only in Dubai, right?
Yes.
And this how Bedouin tent in desert look like. This is only exhibition, of course. You can't go inside. Or you can, I don't know. But probably for some money, and you can get some tea inside. Thank you.
Try the dates.
No, thank you. And here, without covers on the top, it's so hot. We just been inside this mosque, but it's praying time, so a lot of believers over there, and we didn't make any video due to respect of all of them. And as always, our small cute tradition, we will send postcards to our family. done. We need to fill up our public transport card. The minimum amount is 20 dirham. So it's about how much? Like $8 I guess. Thank you. Dubai subway have special cabin for gold card holders. We have only silver, so it's not for us. We're not so rich. And on other side they have just ladies cabin, but it's pretty far, so I guess you go with ordinary people, right? Let's go. And it's very crowded here. And this is the entrance from the subway station to the Museum of the Future. The tunnel itself looks so futuristic. Yeah, I really like it. And here we are, already inside this building. It's look impressive from inside, but outside it's look even more beautiful. Like from the movie.
Uh-huh.
Wow. And now let's see this building from outside. Oh, let's look how huge it is.
Wow. It's like 50 floors.
Maybe. We're gonna walk around this building to find the perfect angle to make cool pictures and to show you from every single side. I think the view from this side is the best, so definitely come here. It's just opposite side from the subway entrance. And you can see it pretty clean, nothing blocking the view. And it's look very huge and massive. As everything here in Dubai. What's our next destination? Let's go. During the daytime, it's way less crowded over here because yesterday you can't walk normally. Everyone waiting for the fountain show.
So guys, day 28 is over. We ended up buying tickets to observation deck in Burj Khalifa for tomorrow morning.
Yeah, because as we realized today, if you didn't purchase ticket in advance and came to ticket office just right before sunset, they might be sold out and there is no chance that you visit it for today. But here is couple good things. First, we still have time tomorrow, so we already purchased ticket in advance for tomorrow. Second, it's for 5:30 a.m., so we will have time before sunrise and at sunrise, which is very good. And also, I don't think there will be a lot of fool who ready to wake up at 4 a.m. to came here in time. And also, we save some money because today's tickets supposed to cost 259 dirham each, and tomorrow's tickets cost 159 dirham, which is about $55 US saving for two of us. So it's a win-win, and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.
Bye.